Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Humana for new member login and coverage, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Humana for new member login and coverage, begin by visiting the Humana official website. Look for the member login or register option on the home page. Click on this option to proceed to the registration page. You will need to enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Make sure to provide additional information, such as your Humana member ID or policy number if prompted. Create a secure username and password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements specified on the page. Once you have filled in all the required fields, review your information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click on the Submit button to continue. You will receive a confirmation email from Humana to verify your account. Check your inbox for this email and click on the verification link provided. This step is crucial to activate your new member account. Once your account is verified, return to the Humana website. Log in using your secured username and password. Upon logging in, you can explore your coverage options and plan details. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the member benefits available to you. If you encounter any issues during registration, look for the Help or Contact Us section for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the registration process. Now you are ready to manage your health coverage with Humana as a new member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.